Today, we're going to walk through the process of creating a Ubisoft account. Whether you're gearing up to play the latest games or just want to join the Ubisoft community, I'll show you how to get started, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to ubisoft.com. On the Ubisoft homepage, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. In the sign in pop-up, click on Create an Account. You'll be directed to the registration page. Here you need to enter your birth date. Click on Continue. After that, you need to enter your email address and password and create a Ubisoft username. Enter a valid email address and create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And after that, you need to check the box to agree to Ubisoft's terms of services. You might also need to confirm that you are at least 13 years old. After clicking Create an Account, Ubisoft will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox and find the email from Ubisoft. Once your email is verified, you can log into your Ubisoft account. You may want to complete your profile by adding a profile picture and additional information. And that's it. You've successfully created your Ubisoft account and are ready to explore all the games and features Ubisoft has to offer.